Wedding season, and brides across the tri-state are snapping up wedding gowns. But how much do you need to pay for one? Can guests really tell how much you paid for your dress? Well, wait till you see the results of a new wedding gown test. Choosing a wedding dress is a once-in-a-lifetime experience for most women. But like new bride Jackie found, it can also be disappointing if the dress you want and the price you want to pay don't match.
I found the dress of my dreams, and it was $4,000. Not going to spend $4,000 on a dress that I'm going to wear once.
But can your wedding guests really tell if you just spent a few hundred or many thousands on your dress? Our partners at Consumer Reports magazine just asked shoppers if they could tell the difference between wedding gowns that ranged from $500 all the way up to $10,000.
Most people were able to pick out the least expensive gown, but it was much harder for them to price the others.
In fact, 85% of people thought a $1,000 gown, sewn with lots of embellishment, cost $3,000 or more.
Many of the features that set apart expensive gowns may not be that obvious on the outside, like hand finishing, encased seams. They're also called French seams.
A textile expert said even the cheapest dress she examined would at least last through a wedding day and an evening of dancing. So how can you get a dream dress that won't cost you thousands? Consumer Reports says a used gown is nowadays a great and very popular option. That's what Jackie finally did.
I went on a website called Once Wed, and I bought it used from a young woman who wore it for 4 hours. We did a financial exchange, and I had a brand new wedding dress for a fraction of the cost.
Good for her. Now, most tri-state bridal shops have a wide range of prices, and they will still be happy to work with you if your budget is well below $1,000. As always, don't waste your money. Tanya?